Hi everybody, I'm Jake Chisholm with Results Realty Atlantic, and I'm here at 229 Granville St in PortHawkesbury. 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath. What I really love about this house though is the living space, okay? So we have multiple indoor and outdoor living space. And we want that. We want to live in our home. We don't want to just go to our bedroom and do nothing, right? We got a newer furnace. We're right by the water. So anybody that's loving being on the water, you're going to love being at this house too. The trees, and it's just, the natural woodwork inside, and the cross breeze is just, it's just heaven. So anyways, you want to see the house, so come on in. So, what did you think? I know, there's something just so naturally homey and cozy, and even just standing here and feeling this cross breeze through the house is just, it's heaven. So, you know what you need to do, book your showing, and we'll see you all soon.